No, I think it's definitely a massive honor, and it's great to be back playing for the Springboks, and yeah, I'm just looking forward to get it going on Saturday, and yeah, definitely this is a unique challenge, 2 games on the same day, so now I think it's going to be very exciting, and just hope the fans come out and they play their part, and we have a big crowd at the stadium. Yeah, no, it's always great to have young guys in the team, and in particular, with one of our own Sharks young guys, Peter Steve Tutor, and yeah, we're definitely going to be looking after him and taking him under our wing and make sure that yeah, he just feels comfortable and is settled in the box. Our preparations have been very good. I think we started the preparations probably last week, and I think it's been going really well. And the guys have really been training at high intensity, and I think our trainings are a lot tougher than actually the game itself on Saturday. So I think we definitely much better prepared going into this first game than we were last season. So we're just looking forward to it. Yeah, I hope the crowds come early at 1 o'clock since the games are starting early. And yeah, definitely it's going to be very exciting to be playing at Court Point, Kings Park.